In this video, we're going to go through creating a bundle using the Build Your Own Bundles app. Your customers can build custom bundles that mix and match various products in the store. Bundles are a great way to give your customers more freedom while boosting sales, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you step by step how to set them up. Let's begin by looking at a few examples. Inside the app, you'll find sample bundles you can explore. First, there is a quick show of different bundle styles. You can view the embed widget bundle and full page bundle. The embed widget can be placed in a product information section, and it can easily fit in your existing page style. This full page layout is powered entirely by the Build Your Own Bundles product template and the app blocks. One important detail here is that bundle conditions are separated into tabs, which keeps the page organized and makes it simple for customers to follow the rules of the bundle. Now let's create a full page bundle together. In the Build Your Own Bundle app, start by creating a new bundle and selecting the full page option. The first step is to enter your bundle information. The title and description will appear at the very top of the bundle page. Let's input buy 3 snowboards to get 10% off. Limited time offer, don't miss the chance. You also have the option to upload an image here, which will display as the top banner and the line item thumbnail on the cart. This step is optional, but it's a great way to make your bundle page more attractive. Step 2. Next comes the product selection logic. This is where you define the bundle conditions. There are several operators to choose from. The any operator means customers must match the exact number of the items that you set with this value. The at least operator requires customers to add more than or equal to the number of the items you specify. And the maximum operator means customers must add fewer than or equal to the number you set. To choose specific products for your bundle, first select product here, and then you can select them manually by clicking here. And then click on the product to then select the variants. You can also select a collection as part of a condition, and if you have more than 20 products in your store, you must use a collection. It's also possible to add more than one condition. And if you add more than one condition, customers must fulfill all of them to complete their bundle. If you want, you can make a condition optional, but that's only useful when you're working with multiple conditions. Make sure you explore the other options as well, such as adding filters and product tags. Step 3. Let's move on to bundle discounts. Build Your Own Bundles gives you 6 discount types to choose from. 3 are basic and simple to understand. A fixed amount off, such as $50 off from the final price. A fixed price, like $100 for the whole bundle. Or a percentage off, for example, 10% off from the final price. Then there are 3 advanced discount types. With tiered discounts, you can set rules like when customers select 3 items, they get 10% off. When they select 4 items, they get 15% off. And when they select 5 items, they get 20% off. This kind of discount structure encourages customers to add more items to their bundle. The logic is basically the more they buy, the more they save. Another option you can enable is subscriptions. Build Your Own Bundles integrates with subscription apps such as Recharge or Shopify subscriptions, but keep in mind that this feature is only available on the standard plan or higher. After customers select their products, a subscription pop-up will appear so they can choose a recurring purchase option. Finally, you can even pair bundles with discount codes, which is especially useful if you want to create buy X to get Y style promotions. When it comes to discount codes, you have to set them up in your Shopify discount admin site and then use that code here when creating the bundle. For convenience, we'll input a percentage discount of 10% off. Step 4. Before finishing, make sure you set the status. You can save your work as a draft, but only published bundles can be added to the cart. Then select the template you want to use, the BYOB template. If you haven't done that, check the installation video first. When everything looks good, click Save Bundle. The app will create a new bundle product with the custom template. Then click Preview Bundle to see the rendered page. You'll be able to review how your title, banner image, bundle conditions, and discounts all come together for the customer. Let's see the bundle in your store. Now let's look at the pricing behavior. The base price and the display price only appear when the bundle has been created or is being edited. Base price means the bundle starts at the price and increases as items are added. This option only appears when you're using a fixed amount or percentage off discount. Display price means customers see the product prices shown individually, which works well if you're using a collection display. In our case, with the percentage off discount, the display price means the lowest price customers may expect. And now it's your turn. Head into the Build Your Own Bundles app and create your first bundle. Test out different discount types, try a tiered promotion, or experiment with conditions. Once you publish, your customers will be ready to build their own bundles, and you'll grow your sales with Build Your Own Bundles.